the ultimate guide to mastering digital marketing, strategies, trends, and expert insights. Host, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for all the aspiring digital marketers out there. In this video, we present to you the ultimate guide to mastering digital marketing, strategies, trends, and expert insights. The ultimate guide to mastering digital marketing. Digital marketing is an ever-evolving landscape, and staying ahead of the game is crucial to succeed in this dynamic industry. In this comprehensive guide, we'll equip you with the latest strategies, trends, and expert insights that will set you up for success and beyond. Presentation slides. Master digital marketing, you need a strong foundation. Let's start by understanding the key strategies that will drive your success in the digital realm. Digital marketing strategies. First and foremost, we'll delve into search engine optimization, SEO, and how to optimize your website to rank higher on search engine result pages. We'll explore the latest SEO techniques, including mobile optimization, voice search, and schema marketing. Content is still king. Content is still king. We'll deep dive into content marketing and show you how to create engaging and valuable content that resonates with your target audience. We'll also explore the growing importance of video marketing and how to leverage it for maximum impact. Social media has become a driving force in digital marketing. We'll explore the latest social media trends, platforms, and strategies to effectively engage with your audience and build a strong brand presence. Analyzing data and metrics. Analytics and data-driven decision-making are essential for success in digital marketing. We'll show you how to utilize advanced analytics tools to measure campaign performance, track user behavior, and make data-backed optimizations. The power of influencer marketing. Influencer marketing has gained immense popularity, and we'll explore how to collaborate with influencers to amplify your brand reach and drive conversions. We'll discuss strategies for finding the right influencers, negotiating partnerships, and measuring campaign success. The future of digital marketing. Finally, we'll gaze into the crystal ball and discuss the emerging trends and predictions for digital marketing and beyond. From artificial intelligence and voice search to personalized marketing and immersive experiences, we'll provide insights to help you stay ahead of the curve. The host smiling. There you have it, the ultimate guide to mastering digital marketing, strategies, trends, and expert insights. We hope this comprehensive guide empowers you to navigate the ever-changing digital landscape with confidence and achieve remarkable success. A call to action. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on mastering digital marketing. We'd love to hear your thoughts and answer any questions you may have, so don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.